Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken, ham and mushroom tagliatelle. You will need 1 small onion, few sprigs of flat leaf parsley, 3 to 4 mushrooms, 1 chicken breast, 150 milliliters of chicken stock, 1 garlic clove, 3 to 4 spirals of tagliatelle or around 100 grams, 50 to 100 grams of ham or pancetta, 125 milliliters of double cream, 50 milliliters of white wine, splash of olive oil, 1/2 of a lemon, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, salt and pepper to season and sprinkle of salt for water, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese, optional. Cooking method. Top, tail, cut in half and peel 1 small onion. Dice the onion. With a few sprigs of flat leaf parsley with the leaves, finely chop. With 3 to 4 mushrooms, cut in half and slice. Dice a chicken breast into 1 centimeter cubes. In a medium saucepan with around 1 liter of water, add a sprinkle of salt and a splash of olive oil. Bring to the boil and add 3 to 4 spirals tagliatelle or around 100 grams to the pan and simmer for 9 minutes. Heat 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil in a large frying pan at medium heat. Add the chicken to the frying pan and fry for 6 minutes. Transfer the chicken to a plate with kitchen towel on to soak up the oil. When the tagliatelle is cooked, drain them. Heat another tablespoon of sunflower oil in the frying pan and add 50 to 100 grams of ham pancetta. Pan fry for 2 minutes. Then add the chopped onion and fry for another 2 minutes. Add the chopped mushrooms and cook for another 2 minutes. Add 1 minced garlic clove. Add 50 milliliters of white wine and cook for 1 minute. Return the chicken to the pan and cook for 1 minute. Then add 150 milliliters of chicken stock. And cook for another 2 minutes. Add 125 milliliters of double cream. Then add the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. Add the flat leaf parsley. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add the tagliatelle to the pan and mix and bring up to a simmer. Plate up in a pasta bowl or a large plate. Then optionally sprinkle on top some Parmesan cheese. My chicken, ham and mushroom tagliatelle.